Today, we take a closer look at what comes with the Ghost Controls DEP2 decorative double gate automation kit that can be used with your Stronghold Iron or Infinity aluminum driveway gate. Hey everyone, Jason from Iron Fence Shop. While it's easy to find prices for gate automation kits online, it's not always abundantly clear what you're actually getting in those kits. Some require purchasing extra items, while others are bundled with accessories. So today I wanted to go through one of our Ghost Controls DEP2 decorative dual gate automation kits to show you what is and isn't included. Before we jump to what's in the box, a quick note on system capabilities. This decorative double gate kit will handle any of our stocked heights and widths of Stronghold Iron or Infinity aluminum driveway gates. They're rated well over our heaviest and widest stocked gate leaves. So no worries about having to use different automation kits between the heavier iron gates and the lighter aluminum ones. Now, let's pop the box open and see what's included in the kit. Here's all the components included with the Ghost Controls decorative double gate automation kit. Your 2 gate motors, your battery box, a single 12-volt battery to go in the battery box, your control box for all your connections and settings, your various post, pivot, and gate mounting hardware and brackets, 2 of the 5-button remote transmitters for in your cars, a plug-in transformer, warning signage, and print install instructions in both quick reference and detailed form. Let's take a closer look at each of these components. Let's start with the main 2 components of your double gate automation kit, the motors or actuator units. These are DC motors with waterproofing around all your important components. When the motor is actuated, the screw drive in here will extend out, pushing your gate into the closed position. This is how your motors will look when the gates are open, with the screw mechanism fully wound back in here. You'll notice that one motor has a longer wire attached than the other. The motor with the short wire will go on the same side of the gate as your control and battery boxes. The motor with the longer wire will go on the opposite side of the gate from the control and battery boxes. The longer wire is so it can travel under your driveway to connect to the control box on the other side. Next up, we have your included hardware. This is going to be all of the brackets to attach your motors to the gate and posts, along with pins, bushings, bolts, nuts, and a stop plate. Essentially all the small hardware items you need to get the system bolted to your posts and gate leaves. Here's the power source for your gate. This larger box will contain the 12-volt 7-amp battery here that is included with the kit. This battery is actually what powers your gate. Any plug-in or solar power source will simply trickle charge this battery to keep it topped off. By powering the gate via battery, it allows the gate to still function if the power goes out, or cloudy days keep your solar panel from charging. The kit will come with 1 battery, but the battery box has a slot for 2 batteries in it. The second battery will be if you're using a solar panel accessory, or if you want additional energy storage. This Ghost Controls decorative double gate kit will also come with this plug-in transformer too. You just need a standard 120-volt outlet to plug this into. We'll go into power sources and options in more detail in a separate video. Next up is the brains of your gate automation, your control box. The cover here slides off, exposing all of your controls. This is where all of your wiring connections are going to come in for your motors, power source, and any accessories like keypads or exit sensors. This control board is where you'll have the system learn your gate's stopping points, time settings, and show the current status of the system. Ghost even gives you this little flathead screwdriver for use with the control box and making your settings. To open and close the gate, you'll also get 2 of the 5-button transmitters or remotes with a double gate kit that will allow you to open and close the gate. If you're using the single gate version of this kit, you'll only get 1 transmitter. Per the name, these have 5 buttons on them. 2 gate open-close buttons, the learn button for setting up additional transmitters, a test button, and finally a party mode button that allows you to keep the gate in the open position without resetting your current closing settings if you have guests coming over and want the gate left open. Lastly, we have your warning signage, quick setup guide, and full detailed installation instructions. The main install guide is very detailed with lots of clear and concise instructions and images to guide you through the installation process. Ghost Controls also has several install videos on their webpage and YouTube channel as well. I highly recommend checking out their website too, as they have lots of great and easily accessible info on. So that's what comes with the Ghost Controls DEP2 decorative double gate kit. What about what doesn't come with the kit that you'll need to get the gate automated? Really, the only item you'll need beyond a power source to plug into is the wiring that will go between the control box and the plug-in transformer. That isn't supplied with the kit, since some folks may need 4 foot of wire and others might need 400 feet of wire. The wiring you need is a 16 gauge, 2-wire stranded, low voltage wire that can be direct buried. This wire will be connected via screws on the plug-in transformer and at the control box. We stock this wire in 100-foot increments if you want to order it through us. Now, if you need more or much less than 100 feet of wire, it's also something you can easily buy at your local home store inexpensively. It's often labeled or described as low voltage landscape wiring that can be buried directly in ground. Direct bury wire means it doesn't need to be buried in conduit, but it will help it last longer and avoid getting cut or split by shoveling around the line if you do use that conduit. So that's what comes with the Ghost Controls DEP2 decorative double gate kit, and what you'll need beyond it to get your gate opening and closing. Beyond the dual gate kit, there are also various accessories offered by Ghost, such as solar power panels, push-to-open brackets, keypads, and exit sensors that we'll cover in future videos or that you can research on the Ghost Controls website. I hope this walkthrough on the Ghost Controls decorative double gate automation kit gave you a clearer picture of what's included in the box for automating your driveway gate. Be sure to check us out here at ironfenceshop.com. Still shopping for a driveway gate and want some tips on what to look for in a quality gate setup? Check out this video we did. If you have any other questions, you can shoot us an email at sales@ironfenceshop.com or give us a call at 800-261-2729. We look forward to hearing from you.